All right, next one's going to be Bugaboo, horror short film, by Dark Fun Horror Short Films. Bugaboo. You're not going to tell anyone why it barely touched you. You wanted it. Ew. I'm tripping. Delulu, bitch.
Not again.
Someone just came in?
Let me out.
Wait, why did this even happen to her? No one would believe you.
Yes.
I'm so confused right now. Oh, I moved over for the last one. Let me move it back over.
What's up, Matty Fatties? How we doing? So a lot of y'all been asking about my relationship status, and you tell me. I mean,
Who's asking?
yeah,
What's going on? Good move. Better than most sweet dream. Immediately dip. Oh, he's gonna be in the back of the car. Oh, this is he hacked your car. Always in the back of the car. Is the doll texting him? Hey, okay, I was gonna say I can't see shit. Oh no, this is about to get freaky. That is not what I signed up. Okay, good. Or are we good? Oh. He solves problems, the Bugaboo. His own way, but he solves problems. That was actually kind of sick. Oh, he was the one texting her? Yeah. Okay. No, I don't. That's cool. Awesome. Good. That was that was not bad. It took a minute for me to connect everything, but we got there. Boy, we got there. Whew. Man, these ones really take it out of me. It's exhausting. I don't even just some of the sounds just scare me. It's not even it doesn't even have to be like a visual scare. It'll just be like too loud, and it's scary. I'm locked in right now. I'm trying not to get scared, and it scares me even more. Maybe I should just not try to not get scared. I don't know. Anyway, next video. Oh, jeez, these are awful. Intruders. Scary short, scare. Next video.